Okay, here's the problem using VirtualBox. Here's the virtual machine, and if I start it, then soon I will get an error message. A blue screen will appear, this one, and it says that your device needs to be repaired. The operating system uses the physical address extension to support system with more than 4 GB of memory. Okay, error, it has 260 there. Okay, let's see how to solve this problem. Close this window, power off the machine. Okay, and go to settings here. Click on settings, go to system, and go to processor, and check this one, enable PAE, physical address extension. Close it with OK, and now if you start that virtual machine, now it should boot from the ISO file. In this case it's an ISO file of Windows 7, and that error message should be gone, and voila, the setup has started, so the error message was fixed. Okay, that's it, thanks for watching, bye bye.